The contents of the show is for educational, informational, and entertainment purposes only and is not intended or viewed as trade recommendations or a substitute for professional financial advice of any kind. Please consult your own financial professional for specific advice that applies in your unique situation.
You're listening to the 12 Days of Investing, where we go over real action steps anyone can take to change their financial lives. If you're looking to learn how to get started with investing without all the hype, you've come to the right place. Stay tuned and join us on happyfinancials.com, your home for plans, strategies, and investment info online.
My name is Nick Caracappa, president of Silverton Management.
I'm Steven Cheung, founder of Epik Capital Partners and president of VidaBox LLC.
We are on to the fifth day of investing. So, Steven, where does the insurance stop?
The last cornerstone of our financial foundation is having an umbrella policy. And what an umbrella policy does is that it helps shield you from lawsuits that go above and beyond and spill over your maximum insurance coverage limits. So let's just say now, whether it's a car accident or a slip and fall in front of your house, the more assets that you have in general, the bigger a target that you are.
Also known as having deep pockets.
Exactly. So what ends up happening is that ultimately, there's more and more assets that you have, people will invariably want to sue you. So, for example, Nick, do you let people borrow your car?
You're not going to rat me out to my insurance provider, are you?
No. But unfortunately, did you know that you'd be responsible for anything that happens if, let's just say now somebody borrows your car?
Oh, I get it. And they get into a car collision with your car.
That's exactly why umbrella policies are really important. Generally, these policies provide you with millions of dollars of protection. Personally, it lets me sleep easier at night, but don't let the millions of dollars of coverage numbers scare you. It's actually surprisingly affordable. So, for example, when I got my duplex back in 2013, I upped my policy to $2 million for about $529 a year. And also consider, when you get sued, the insurance company actually have entire roomfuls of lawyers ready to go. Why? Because they really don't want to pay out any claims.
We've had this conversation before. Basically, that kind of goes back to the concept of having lawyers on retainer.
Absolutely. So not only do you get the benefit of the additional coverage via the insurance in case you do get sued, you really are paying for lawyers and retainers so that now if something were to happen, if there is a lawsuit that crops up, you're not having to, panic and be like, oh my gosh, I got to go find a lawyer now and defend myself, et cetera, et cetera. You already have everything already set up for you. So any way you slice it, as your assets grow, once you've got your emergency fund settled in, once you've got your life insurance, once you've got disability insurance, the final cornerstone of your financial foundation is umbrella insurance, and it really helps complete your financial shielding. Now, unlike other insurances, though, you don't need to get this right now if you don't have that much in assets. It's not really age-related. So let's just say if you're starting out and you just are starting off your emergency fund, that's perfectly fine. Get your emergency fund first, get your life insurance, get your disability insurance, and then the last piece then is your umbrella insurance.
And are there other avenues that you could get umbrella insurance as well, maybe from a different insurance provider that you already have?
Yeah, ideally what you want to do is to try to roll all of your insurances into one. So for example, if you have car insurance, you obviously want to try to wrap it in together with your homeowner so you can get a discount. But then if you put an umbrella on top of that, at that point, there's no dispute of saying that, oh, if you get sued, who's going to be able to handle claims? It's all really under one roof and it just makes life a lot easier for you.
And of course, you pay less as well.
Absolutely. The discounts always help.
All right, so now that we have all the financial cornerstones already set, we're ready to build our financial tower. So that'll be on the sixth day of investing. My name is Nick.
I'm Steven.
And thank you for listening. On to the sixth day.
This podcast is sponsored by Epik Capital Partners, happyfinancials.com, and Silverton Management. Thanks for listening.